Hello everyone. Once again I am here to just express such a good things which always inspire me. Yeah, I am just going through the book which I already mentioned in the last chapter, You Are Destined for the Skies. There are so many inspirational stories and there are very precious thoughts which I want to just share with you. And today's chapter which I have read it, and that is be passionate, age no bar. It means that somewhere if you are the very passionate one, then you can achieve the everything in your life. So be a woman of passion, be a woman, be a man of passion. You can get everything whatever you think about. There are so many inspirational stories. Is one of the story I just want to share with you, and that is the one person who decided at the age of 63 to participate in the marathon. At the age of 63, you just believe that? I know that at the 63 it is very strange things. At this period people like to take a rest. Some people like to just enjoy their retirement after the just a retirement from any job or any services. They like to take a rest, but somewhere there are some personality, they are always going to stand for the great example of the inspiration. Fauja Singh, who is actually from Punjab, but now he is a British citizen, and he decided at the age of 63 to participate in the marathon, and he did it. At the age of 63 he won the marathon also, and he decided that in he is also world record holder at the age of bracket. He current best time for the London marathon in 6 hours and 5 minutes. He completed it, and when there was an interview with Fauja Singh, he declared that I won't stop running till I die. The next target, God willing, is to be the oldest marathon runner ever. I started running at 63. Today I have won a marathon at the age of 93. Yeah, I know that you can't believe that at the age of 93 he won the marathon. And then on the 16th October 2011, Fauja Singh became the first 100-year-old complete a marathon successfully. Yeah. He completed the age of hundreds, and he also owned the record, that was the world record, the first 100-year-old to complete the marathon successfully. And in 8 hours and 11 minutes he has completed. And in 2011 Singh carried the Olympic torch for the London Olympics. This was the great example. You can't believe that at the age of 63 somebody just participated in the marathon and also he won. Then at the age of 93, then at the age of 100. That's why I am telling you, because he just considered that marathon is the passion for Fauja Singh, and so he proved it. You can do anything whatever you want in your life at any stage of your life. So this is the great example. Next example I want to just share with you. There is also the very another heartbreaking story, and that is Dinah Nad, who was also at the age of 63. She swam 163 kilometers. Yeah, you can't believe that. She swam for 163 kilometers for about 60 hours in attempt, and she also made the world record. You can't believe that. So there are some great example. So she also saying that I want to prove to the other 60 years old, and that is never too late to start dreaming. Anytime you can decide that whatever you want. If you want to just become the greatest successful person, then you can do any stage of your life. So always remember one thing, age no bar if you are the really passionate one. Passionate and age, what is the difference between these two concepts? The first one is the age is the only number, but the passion is the eternal thing which comes from your entire spiritual and somewhere the greatest strength of your mental health. So mental strength always going to support you. If you decide something at the any time, so you are never to be late. So 60s is the new 40s is the latest mantra for the thousands of people the world over now who believe that how miles to go promises to keep, how miles to go promises to keep, and many steps yet to take before reaching the goals they have set for themselves. Be passionate and get going. After all, sky is the limit. Yeah, sky is the limit. Now you can also determine anything. If you have the dream, keep the passion and get the success. This is the great message from these inspirational stories. I hope all of you understood and you will keep it continue. Go for sustain it. Have a nice day.